Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Shibadoge coin is set to start burning massively a lot of coins on a daily basis. We are expecting on the monthly basis Quintillion coins of Shibadoge should be born. Now, I also believe that Shibadoge wants to start targeting over 20 sextillion born in a year. Wow, if they can target 20 sextillion born in a year, it means in 5-7 years Shibadoge will burn out their supply. Okay, but I still believe they can still achieve that even before the next 3-4 years. But at least if Shibadoge can start burning, even though if they are burning 2 or 3 sextillion coins on a monthly basis, believe it will not take a very long period of time. We are going to see this coin pumping up to over 100,000% increase in price. Sorry for the noise. So pumping over 100,000% increase in price. Shibadoge should remain one of the best coin right now. I told so many of my friends to buy and keep because anything can happen. Now that's why I'm happy to hear about Shibadoge mega burning that have been going on, and also their plans to burn more coin. So 20 sextillion born in 1 year will be good. Almost 2 sextillion born in a month. If they achieve this, believe it, Shibadoge, within a short period of time, we might see this coin hitting a massive rise just like Shiba Inu. Imagine this coin deleting 3, 4, 5 zeros. I believe so many people will be smiling to the bank. But remember, even up to now, Shibadoge does not have that large community. So the only way they can attract large community and huge investment is when the coin starts rising, when the coin starts pumping. We'll be surprised to see high increase in market cap, high increase in price. But for me, I'm hoping that this 20 sextillion born every year should really come to pass, so that in the short period of time, Shibadoge will definitely achieve something bigger. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.